Hi Mary, what are you up to tonight, babe?
I'm not sure. My supervisor just assigned me a huge load of undertakings. I surmise I will remain at home and attempt to finish them before midnight.
Goodness, Julie. This is so exhausting for a weekend night. We should hang out and find something enjoyable to do together.
Take my word for it. I truly need to, but as you know, work cannot be done by itself.
Okay, if you say so. Simply get back to me in the event that you change your mind. Bye.
Bye, Jennifer.
A few moments later.
Hello?
Hi, Jennifer. It's me, Mary.
Aha! I knew that you changed your mind. So, what time can I pick you up?
Actually, I'm trying to ask you to come over. Then we can drink a little bit and have a good talk. I don't feel like going out tonight. What do you think?
Sure. Do you want me to buy something on the way to your house?
A bottle of Screaming Eagle, please. In the meantime, I will make us beef steak for dinner. Is there anything else you want?
Okay, no problem. Oh, can I have some more spaghetti? It's been a long time since I last dated your spaghetti. I miss it.
Alright, beef steak, spaghetti, and wine. That's enough for a dinner. How long you will be here?
In an hour more.
Okay, see ya.
Goodbye.
Hi, get inside. Hurry up. It's raining like cats and dogs. Are you wet?
No, I'm okay. Wow, the food smells so good. I'm starving, Mary.
Me too. I hadn't eaten anything since the morning.
What do you do for the whole day?
Nothing. I just lay down on the bed and started surfing on the internet.
How about your work? How do you arrange them?
I will work on them after we're done with our dinner.
Do you think you have enough time for that?
I'm hoping so. Sit down.
Why didn't you work on them the whole day?
You know me, Jennifer. I won't do anything until I feel motivated.
Oh no, that's not good, Mary.
I know, but I'm powerless to do anything about it. That's me.
Let me help set out the table. Do you have all the ingredients for the food?
Yeah, except the black pepper. I've been out of it since the last week. But I also forgot to buy the new one whenever I went to the supermarket.
Wow, so yum, Mary. I love it. Your cook is the best. So, do you find it hard in your new job?
Yeah, I'm feeling distressed.
That's why you procrastinate, Mary. Trouble is frequently connected to darling.
Really? I did not know about that.
Do you often intentionally deferring or delaying something in spite of realizing that there will be adverse result for doing such?
Yeah, like what I'm doing right now. In spite of the fact that I have not completed my task yet, I'm actually investing my time eating with you.
For quite a while, I used to be like you. In any case, recently I'm changed.
How could you do that? Can you help me?
Yes, of course. I want to help you, but I have to ask a question.
Yeah, just go ahead, please.
Do you desire to change yourself? Do you want to be a better version of yourself?
I do. I really do.
You must understand that procrastination is frequently a routine human behavior. Is it a typical human encounter, including a delay in regular things? In other words, is the action of putting off tasks into the last minute, or even past the deadlines?
Okay, it sounds like me.
Yeah, procrastination is not a sign of serious problem, but it can have a major impact on your job and your life.
Yay! I remember that I thought I still had 2 weeks for my project, but it is really due tomorrow. That's a nightmare.
Because you assume that your projects won't take as long to finish as they really will, which can prompt a misguided feeling where we believe that we still have a lot of opportunity to get done. And do you know what the biggest factor leading to procrastination is?
No, what is it?
Remember what you said about yourself when I just came here 10 minutes ago?
What are you trying to say?
You said you are the type of person who need to feel inspired or motivated to work on a task at a particular moment. That could be a big problem.
Oh my goodness. But you also mentioned depression.
You're right, a lack of energy can make it challenging to begin and finish the simplest job. Do you feel nervous recently?
Yeah, I do. You know, changing working environment in a short period makes me feel shocked and unbalanced. I couldn't sleep well at night. I just realized I have a problem with concentration. I hardly focus during the meeting, which I have never experienced before.
Calm down, Mary. I have your back. You don't have to worry about that. I can help with that.
Thank you very much, Jennifer.
Do you often make a to-do list to help you stay on track?
Of course I do. I'll show you. These are all the lists I have made. It's not working well.
I see. You know why? Because you didn't put a due date for each task. Be more specific, honey.
Uh-huh.
Another thing that makes your brain feel overwhelmed is that your tasks look complicated. Break down the item into smaller ones in order to manage them better. Take the baby step.
Okay, I understand.
What is that sound?
The sound? Oh, my Facebook notification. Sorry.
And now what's that?
Somebody commented on my Facebook.
Did you turn on all the notifications that were like this when you're walking?
I suppose so. I'm afraid that I could not catch up with the latest news if I turn it off.
Then you need to change your habit. You have to eliminate as much distraction as possible. Whether it's Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram. Turn off all those sources of distraction.
Okay, I will.
Alright, I can see that some of your tasks on this list were done, and you put a red squad behind it. So, what do you do after you accomplish an item on your list normally?
Keep working on a new task, I think. Maybe I will stand up and get a cup of water.
Why don't you congratulate yourself?
Congratulate myself?
Yeah, reward yourself for putting effort into working by finding something fun to do.
Oh, it sounds reasonable. I'll apply all the things you just advised me. Thank you so much, Jennifer.
I guess I must leave now so you can have enough time to do your job.
No, just stay. It's okay, I'll do it later.
Oh, come on, Mary.
I'll change myself by tomorrow, I promise.